but we see the yellow right in here. Now had we gone short in here, we'd have gotten stopped out. We'd have to go short again, and here we're late. Or maybe we decide not to move at all. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and put the down arrow here for the reason that we've got to take a profit in here somewhere. And notice how we move down back into the line, and we even go lower. And now we're hitting all of these projections. Here, oops, grab that line. Now, these are trend lines, they're not always easy to grab. That line was created at 9:55 a.m. (9:55) is when that line was created. We've got this line, and we've got this line as well. And we're back into the lows of the day. Okay? But now it starts going long again. But we're quite a ways from the line when it does. That secondary line in here was created at 9:36. And here we are way in the afternoon when that line got hit. We've still got a line here though. In fact, that line is now to be moved. If we can grab a hold of it. Now, I'll do that a little later. But the point of the matter is, the market has now told us, or the indicator has told us, that we're long. Now notice what happens. Again, we're long. It gets really volatile in here. But we're long. Now we come up to this high in here. And we're yellow. Where are we at on the histogram? We've moved up to a new high on the histogram relative to these two bars. Okay? And we're yellow. We're higher than we were here. Now, depends on how used to reading the histograms you are. But really, we would expect that this move is going to continue. And why? Well, remember what we said about our projections. We can project that we should be hitting some sort of a double asterisk before we look to make any kind of a move. That doesn't happen until here. Okay? So it's a little early. well, pardon me, come to think of it, yeah, I'm sorry, this is exactly where it does occur. So yes, with all due respect, that is where we would elect to short the market. We would short it here. And you'll notice too that as soon as we shorted that market and we had some profits, we'd want to get a stop in here to break even. And what happens? We get stopped out. We get stopped out, but then we're back into the trade again over here. See this green line? We're very close to it. We went blue again right in here. Had we get rid of that green line, we pulled our stop in here, we'd have been stopped out again on this retracement. Okay? So where do we want to go short? Well, we obviously don't want to go short down here. We don't want to go short until we're looking at yellow at the top, somewhere at the top, and we're not getting that. Now we're getting it, but we're way down here. Again, that doesn't seem to make a lot of sense, to be shorting the market this far away from the top. Instead, since we're creating these price points up here, we flatten our trade. We make sure we're not long anymore. Pardon me, that we're not short anymore. We're flat. And we wait to go long. And we come down here. Oops. Again, this is giving us a relative price point. Market goes back up. Actually, let's get this in here. It says we should be long right in here, but we've got this price point down here. This is pretty far away. Market comes down again, and if we had been long, we just got stopped out. See what happens? Now what's occurring? It's still going down until right here. You've got a line here. Right there. This is where we want to be long. Okay, we get stopped out on that move. Market drops even lower. But at this bottom, okay, this didn't make us any money. But down here,